How to fix Facebook Messenger messages. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, you will find all the apps right here. Now scroll until you find Messenger, click on it, click on force stop, and then click on notifications management. Disable the notifications and enable them back again. Go back, click on data usage, disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again, and then go to the storage, click on clear cache. After that, all what you want to do is go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it. That's it guys, very easy and simple quick solution. So the problem must be solved right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.